You know that feeling when you overpack gear and you only end up using like one thing? That was me in Zion. I brought my Canon R5, my main camera, my Osmo Pocket 3, which is small, smooth, and reliable, and then this little guy, the Canon PowerShot V1, just to test it out, see what I could do. But guess what camera I used the most? By the second day, the R5 and the Osmo Pocket 3 stayed in the bag, and I just brought out the V1. And I didn't miss the others, not even a little. So I've been using the Canon V1 mostly in my room, vlogging, testing, doing low effort talking head stuff. And it's been great for that. But I realized I didn't really know what this camera was capable of outside in an unpredictable setting. Zion gave me the perfect chance. I didn't plan to rely on it though. It was more of a let's see what happens kind of thing. But once I got out there, I started realizing something. I didn't want to pull out the R5. It was heavy, it required too much thought. Even the Osmo Pocket 3, as much as I love that little guy, it didn't feel right for what I was doing. The V1, I could just hit record and live in the moment. It's kind of hard to explain, but the Canon V1 has this vibe of non-intimidation. It doesn't ask you to be a YouTuber or a filmmaker. It just lets you be someone who wants to document a memory, capture a moment, or tell a story. It has C-Log 3, which is wild for a point and shoot. The mic is built in and honestly, solid for casual use. Autofocus didn't let me down either, even when I was walking and talking. And the image quality, especially in decent lighting like in Zion, looked way better than I expected. I've used the G7X Mark II for years and I love it. But for video, the V1's just on another level.
Pretty font. Wow. There's a squirrel. Oh!
Look, if you're someone who already has a big setup, the R5 or A7S or whatever, then no, the V1 won't replace that for client work or super cinematic stuff. But if you're someone like me, documenting, vlogging, maybe posting on YouTube or Instagram, maybe not even that consistently, the V1 gives you the space to just create without pressure. You don't have to overthink about lenses. You don't have to think about lenses. You don't have to worry about looking like that guy with a giant rig in public. You just record. And that's why I've grown to appreciate it. It's not a better camera than my others, but it makes me want to film more. And in this season of life, that's the most important thing. Honestly, your phone is good enough. But if you're feeling stuck or overthinking content, or you want something that just works without making your setup complicated, the Canon V1's worth looking into. It's like this bridge between the casual world of smartphone filming and the pro world of mirrorless cameras. And it kind of fits in your pocket. Not really, but you know, it's if you have a big pocket, it's pocketable. Anyways, I'll drop the link below. It's an affiliate link, so if you do pick one up, I appreciate the support. But again, this video isn't really about selling a camera. It's just about using what makes you want to create again. And for me, right now, that's this little guy.